Okay, this video is to help you go through metamorphic rocks and their parents. It's part of the Metamorphic Rocks and their parents video. And this is an extension to that for people who have time to go through and do some tests on these metamorphic rocks. And we're going to use the Mohs test kit here. Okay, so when you open it up, these are the components you need, as well as the instruction sheet. Okay, so I'm just going to move them down here and get you to have a look at these rocks. So as you go through these rocks in the video, it'll say, have a look at these rocks and their parents. So the very first one we got here is limestone, and it's the parent of marble. Okay, so that's those two there. Marble is usually formed through contact metamorphism. Okay, you can notice it's not foliated, it doesn't have those streaks in it, but it does have lots of little crystals, and basically it's a cooked version of limestone. Now, when rocks are turned into metamorphic rocks, one of the big things is they change their hardness. And the heat and the pressure increase their hardness. That's what we've taught you. Well, I want you to test that out using this kit here. Okay? I want you to test the hardness of the limestone and compare it to the hardness of the marble. See if there is really a difference. Okay? You can also test the hardness of, this is shale, which used to be mudstone. Okay? Okay, another form of this is mudstone, like this is shale, comes from very fine ground rock. It is the parent of two different rocks, depending on how long it's been squished or pressured and whether or not it's been heated as well. It can be the parent of slate or schist. Okay? You can also test this one, granite. Intrusive igneous rock, lots and lots of crystals formed down deep in the earth, really hard because we use it for bench tops and stuff. However, when you put it under heat and pressure, and definitely it has to be pressure, it turns into this beautiful rock here called gneiss. Okay? Have a look at that. Now notice how it has all of the streaks. That tells me that this rock was formed not just by cooking it, as in contact metamorphism, it was also formed at least with some large amounts of pressure. That's why you ended up with those, the light colours joining together and the dark colours joining together. Okay? So there was pressure involved in making that rock. Now the last one here is sandstone, which we have all around the Glasshouse Mountains. It's the parent of quartzite, not quartz, quartzite. Okay? And again, you can't see streaks and foliations in this. So what type of metamorphism, contact or regional, do you think was used to make that into that? So you can test the hardness and go through these and compare the two and help to understand how pressure and or heat turn sedimentary or igneous rocks or low-grade metamorphic rocks into other metamorphic rocks. Okay?